Welcome to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge world of military technology. Today, we dive into the innovations shaping the future of defense. From advanced drones to next-gen armor, join us as we uncover the latest in military tech and its impact on modern warfare. Let's jump in.
The value of these weapons is much more valuable than many countries. In this video, I will show you how much the US spent on the F-35 and the 10 most valuable weapons in the world. And I will give you important information about these weapons. These military weapons require a lot of expertise and experience to develop and produce, especially when they are the best of the best. They can cost hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars, which is why they are available to such a small number of military units. In the future, these price tags are likely to rise even higher, as advancing technology, weapon upgrades, and inflation all play a role. Now, if you are subscribed, let's take a look at the 10 most expensive weapons in the world. P-8A Poseidon. The P-8A Poseidon, manufactured by Boeing, entered service in 2013. This aircraft is capable of performing many important missions, from anti-submarine warfare to general maritime missions, from anti-submarine defense to maritime surveillance. Replacing the P-3C Orion, the Poseidon is powered by two powerful CFM International CFM56 turbofan engines. Thanks to these engines, the aircraft can reach a maximum speed of 907 km/h. The aircraft performs particularly well in detecting, tracking, and intercepting submarine threats. It also stands out as a versatile aircraft with its ability to support general maritime missions. USS Gerald Ford, CVN-78. This aircraft carrier is named after the 38th President of the United States, Gerald Ford. The construction process began on August 11, 2005, by Northrop Grumman. On May 31, 2017, it was delivered to the Navy and officially commissioned by former U.S. President Donald Trump on July 22, 2017. This giant ship is capable of carrying 75 aircraft and weighs over 100,000 tons. Equipped with modern technologies such as electromagnetic aircraft launch systems, CVN-78 focuses on reducing operating costs through design innovations. With a total cost of nearly $34 billion, this aircraft carrier is the 9th most expensive military weapon in the world. Joint Mine-Resistant Ambush Protected Vehicle. Produced as part of the Mine-Resistant Ambush Protected Program, and specifically designed to withstand improvised explosive device attacks and ambushes. Started in 2007, by 2012, the MRAP program had produced and deployed more than 12,000 vehicles in combat. The program has played an important role in security, aiming to produce vehicles that can withstand advanced explosive attacks under wartime conditions. Trident II missile. The Trident II missile is in service with both the US Navy and the British Navy. In short, it is classified as an SLBM, meaning it is a ballistic missile launched from a submarine and can reach speeds of up to 13,000 miles per hour. The total cost of this missile is $53.2 billion. It has never been used because it is equipped with nuclear weapons and will never be used if all goes according to plan. In fact, this weapon exists for strategic deterrence. V-22 Osprey. This vehicle has a transitional form between a helicopter and an airplane. It is intended to combine the best features of helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft, and when these features are combined, it is capable of operating in a variety of conditions. Although it made its first flight in 1989, it entered service in 2007. It is mainly used by the U.S. Marine Corps and the United States Air Force. And from 2021, the United States Navy plans to use the CMV-22B for delivery missions on board aircraft carriers. In total, this aircraft costs $57.8 billion. The F/A-18EF Super Hornet is a multi-role fighter designed for long-term use that has become one of the world's most expensive military weapons. It made its first flight in 1995 and was commissioned in 1999. In fact, it is believed to be in service much longer than the F-35. Most models are used by the Navy, which is why they are deployed on aircraft carriers. The Super Hornet is an impressive aircraft equipped with a 20mm cannon for emergencies. It is also armed with air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and laser-guided bombs, making it a versatile and powerful machine. The program cost exactly $65 billion. Another feature is the ability to carry additional fuel in up to 5 external fuel tanks, and the aircraft can be configured as an airborne tanker by adding an external air-to-air refueling system. F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor cost a total of $79.2 billion, which is a reasonable amount considering that it is a state-of-the-art stealth fighter. It is a single-seat, twin-engine, all-weather stealthy tactical fighter built for the United States Air Force. The aircraft was developed as an air superiority fighter, but as a result of the USAF's Advanced Tactical Fighter program, it also includes ground attack, electronic warfare, and signals intelligence capabilities. For air combat, it is equipped with 2 short-range and 6 medium-range air-to-air missiles to destroy enemies before they realize it. Virginia-class submarine. The Virginia-class submarine is the newest submarine model developed for the U.S. Navy, incorporating the latest stealth, intelligence gathering, and weapon systems technologies. Virginia-class submarines are designed for use in open ocean and coastal areas and are built for a variety of missions, such as anti-submarine warfare and intelligence gathering. It will be purchased by 2043 and is expected to remain in service until at least 2060. With additional submarines entering service, it could be used until the late 2070s. The hull includes an integrated locking-unlocking chamber for specific operations. This room can be used to transport specialized combat forces such as mini-submarines, naval land air teams, or maritime reconnaissance units. The total cost of the Virginia-class submarine is $83.7 billion. Arleigh Burke DDG-51. These destroyers have so far cost a total of $101.8 billion. And the production of one of them cost $1.43 billion. Arleigh Burke is the first modern destroyer designed with radar cross-section reduction features that improve a ship's ability to evade radar detection, and its design is informed by the Royal Navy's experience from the Falklands War and the Ticonderoga-class guided missile cruisers. Its superstructure is protected by all-steel construction and can operate in contaminated areas thanks to its ability to withstand chemical, biological, and radiological contaminants and its mass protection system. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is an impressive stealthy multi-role fighter designed for air superiority and strike operations. It has 3 main variants: the F-35A for conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B for short takeoff and vertical landing, and the F-35C for ship-based operations. It is also a versatile aircraft capable of performing electronic warfare, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. It is no surprise that many countries have ordered or are considering ordering this extraordinary aircraft. The project has faced a number of challenges, including its large scale, complexity, high costs, and long delivery delays, and has been subject to intense criticism. The U.S. plans to produce 2,456 F-35s by 2044. This aircraft will make up the majority of the crewed tactical aviation of the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps over the next few decades. The F-35 is expected to be the cornerstone of NATO and U.S. allied air power and remain operational until 2070. The F-35 is currently estimated to cost a total of $1.7 trillion, with each aircraft costing up to $100 million. What do you think about the F-35 and other weapons? You can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like our video for brand new videos like this, and you can be informed about new videos by subscribing to our channel.
Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, like and comment, and share with your friends.